In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge install error 1722 quickly and safely. If Microsoft Edge keeps failing to install on your Windows computer, this usually means there's a problem with Windows installer, system files, or even available disk space. The good news is that you can often fix it with a few simple commands and a quick check on your storage. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, we're going to refresh Windows installer. To do that, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. This part is important because the commands need elevated permissions to work properly. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type msiexec/unregister and then press Enter. You may not see a big confirmation message, and that is completely normal. What this command does is unregister the Windows installer service, which can help clear up issues that are blocking software installation. Next, type msiexec/regserver and press Enter. This registers Windows installer again and helps restore the service so Windows can handle installations correctly. These two commands together are a simple but very effective first step when dealing with install errors like 1722. After that, we'll check the integrity of your Windows system files. In the same command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This starts the System File Checker tool, which scans your computer for corrupted or missing files and tries to repair them automatically. Depending on your system, this process may take several minutes, so be patient and let it finish completely. If Windows finds and repairs any damaged files, that could be the reason Microsoft Edge was failing to install in the first place. Once the scan is done, restart your computer. Restarting helps apply the repair changes and gives Windows a fresh start before you try the Edge installation again. After the reboot, go ahead and try installing Microsoft Edge one more time to see if the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your disk space. Sometimes error 1722 happens because your computer simply doesn't have enough free storage for the installation to complete. Open File Explorer, go to This PC, and look at your main drive. If the drive is almost full, you'll want to free up some space by deleting temporary files, uninstalling unused programs, or emptying the recycle bin. Even a small amount of extra space can sometimes make the difference between a failed install and a successful one. So to recap, the fix is unregister Windows installer, register it again, run SFC scan now, and make sure your computer has enough disk space. These steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge installation problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If the issue is still happening after this, you may need to look into deeper Windows update or installer repair steps, but in many cases, this method gets the job done. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Edge install error 1722, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.